What day is it?
Monday.
Gosh, what day is it?
It's Monday.
What week is it?
It's Pet Week. That's true. Perfect.
It's time for us to fly into the night.
My room is a little messy. Hi, this is the beginning of Monday, and this is probably gonna be like halfway through the video, but, in Sling's video, which I watched this morning as soon as I got up, because, you know, Twitter, she said, the worst Christmas present she ever got. I want to show you a cool one of mine. I used to be obsessed with, Sterling Knight. Do you know who that is? Maybe. If you've seen Sunny with a Chance, or it's so random now, I guess. And, also, 17 again, he was in both of those, Chad Dylan Cooper. And also Jackson Rathbone, who you should know as Jasper from Twilight. This is what I got one year. That's a signed picture by Sterling Knight and, Jackson Rathbone. So that's cool. I used to rub them on my face. Is that weird? Probably. Oh well. We still haven't framed them like we said we were going to, but whatever. That's exciting. Anyway, I'm taking my video camera to school like I usually do now. I'm gonna try and make it a little bit shorter than it usually is. So I guess we'll see how that goes. Bye for now.
It's Monday. It's Monday.
Okay, can I be?
And we got booster juice as usual. Hey.
Hi.
It's Monday. We always get booster juice on Monday.
Of course. This is Zach. If you did not know him.
Yes, you do.
Do they know him?
No.
Kind of.
Probably not.
I've never seen anyone.
I was in one of Jess's way back in the old days.
Lol.
Oh well, way back.
That's Steph's boyfriend. All right.
Jake does that all the time. He does it at least once.
We're gonna do Harry Potter history. Harry Potter history.
December 12th.
Will you say 1972?
Lol.
Obnoxious.
Charlie Weasley is born to Oliver and Molly Weasley.
Did you say Oliver?
Arthur.
I thought you said Oliver.
I said Arthur, not
Said
Oliver.
Ferdinand.
Yes, I said Ferdinand.
Happy birthday, Charlie!
Yeah.
Yay, Charlie Weasley party!
1994.
And I meant 1992.
She meant 1992.
Hermione brews Polyjuice Potion in Moaning Myrtle's bathroom on the second floor. December 13th.
1992.
Hermione brews Polyjuice Potion in Moaning Myrtle's bathroom on the second floor. December 14th.
1992.
Hermione brews more Polyjuice Potion. December 15th.
1992.
Hermione brews more Polyjuice Potion. December 16th.
1992.
See above.
Is Hermione still brewing Polyjuice Potion?
Yup.
Good Lord, Hermione, get a life. Hermione's still brewing Polyjuice Potion. December 17th.
1992.
Oh, finally something happened on Saturday.
Can I have some of that?
Ew, what?
Harry attends dueling club where it is revealed that he can speak Parseltongue. In
1997.
Harry and Hermione decide to go to Godric's Hollow. December 18th.
That's it.
And that's it.
And wait, let me turn the page.
Just turning the page, guys.
Oh, okay. Hey Tanner, want to say 1992?
What?
Say 1992.
1992.
Justin Finch Fletchley and
Mr.
nearly
Goodwill.
headless Nick are petrified by the basilisk.
Snap.
Fox has a burning day.
1993.
Harry acquires the Marauder's map from Fred and George and finds out Sirius Black is his godfather.
1994.
Harry asks Cho Chang and Ron asks Fleur to go to the Yule Ball.
Lol,
They both
that's so
fail.
1995.
That's it.
I was born in 1994.
I was born in 1995. What is this? Tricky.
Harry and Cho kiss under the mistletoe, and Arthur Weasley is attacked by Nagini.
Sad face.
Yep, that happened.
Times 13 and a half.
Yes. This has been there was a time time and a place for everything. This is the fearless tree, and what you do is it says I'm not afraid of, and then you write down what you're not afraid of. This person says I ain't afraid of no ghosts, so that made me smile. This is Jenny's. It says I'm not afraid of the Nardas on my bed, and this one's mine. Today is going to be super mega foxy awesome hot because me and Steph are going to watch the last episode of Once Upon a Time until January 8th, and because we missed it last night, and it's really exciting, and apparently it's really sad, so I'm gonna be sad. Are you gonna be sad?
Yeah, probably gonna cry a little bit.
I might cry a bit too.
When we finish it, we have to film our reaction.
Oh my god.
What did we just watch, Steph?
We just watched Once Upon a Time, and Robyn is actually crying, like tears, like sobbing tears. It's bad.
I don't want to talk about it.
Is she telling somebody you're crying? Oh, on the video.
If you haven't watched Once Upon a Time yet, now is the time to catch up, because the next episode isn't until January 8th. So you should do that. Why?
It will make your heart hurt. Yeah.
We're just gonna be like sobbing forever.
I had a challenge from Madeira, and I'm going to go and complete that right now. Come with me, Stephanie. And that is my snow angel. It's beautiful. Challenge. What's the challenge, Brian?
My challenge for you today is that you must get as much snow as you can, fit it in a blender, and grab
A blender.
in a blender.
Okay.
Grab a fruit you're not allergic to, shove it in there, mix it up, grab some more, mix it up until it's full to the brim, and chug it.
They sell shirts.
Okay, that's a lot of work.
And if you want, put some peanut butter in there unless you're allergic to it too.
They also sell.
Ryan's challenge requires too much effort. He's going to think of another one.
Do you have a bathing suit? Well, you should jump in the snow with it on. Just the bathing suit.
That's actually a really good challenge. All right. That's Steph.
Good luck.
Okay, bye.
It's gonna be pet week again, if that's okay. 'Cause we got a bunch of new people.
Dash is a crazy.
Also, here's a picture of him in a hat that says, "Santa, don't forget me." It's cute. This is this puppy. He is 6. His birthday is September 25th, and he's confused by technology.
He's a big boy now.
He's also really kind of crazy, and he likes to sit in the closet after he's had a haircut because he thinks he looks bad.
He's ashamed of his looks.
Exactly.
You get to experience the feeding of a dash in his natural habitat.
This happens twice a day. What's this? No, seriously, what is this?
Your floor smells like feet.
Well, that's understandable.
Yeah.
Pet Week, brought to you by Hank Green talking about his derpy dog. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out in the link in the description because it's kind of funny. Like, oh,
Up and away! Just eaten. No big deal.
see his tricks?
DFTBA and Izzy, I will see you tomorrow. And Sarah, I will see you with your challenge tomorrow. Oh yeah, did I talk about Sarah? Since Erica left, we got a new person. Her name is Sarah, and you'll see her on Wednesday, and it's all very exciting. And from what I know, she's a very nice person, and so that'd be good. Okay.
Bye.